It's mine. Hello.
Hi, it's me.
Hey.
Bad timing?
Well, we're kind of in the middle of it right now, but I think we're getting close. What's going on?
Well, the security people haven't shown up yet, and neither have the police to dust footprints.
Did you call?
Yeah, all I get is a runaround.
Great. Okay, honey, I'll tell you what. Here's what you do. Call the police and ask to talk to those 2 cops from last night. I bet those guys can help us. Okay?
Well, okay, I'll try.
All right, I'll be home as soon as I can.
Okay.
Okay, you all right?
Mm-hmm.
Sure?
I love you.
I like that.
Bye.
Michael, this guy's good. I'm being grilled here.
Michael, this area is high crime, all right? So you get the people in. How do you keep the bad element out?
I'm into that as we speak. I'm working on security right now.
Michael, you remember Officer Davis?
Oh, yeah. How you doing? I didn't recognize you out of uniform. You did all this?
Yeah, it's no big deal.
It is a big deal. We really appreciate
No
it.
kidding. It's great.
That's the least I could do. Mrs. Carr got my captain on the phone and said all kinds of nice things about me and my partner, Roy. Usually people just call up the bitch, so it was nice. I appreciate it.
Can I get you something? A beer? Or...
Oh, sure, that'd be great. Great, thanks. There's gonna be contact switches on every point of entrance. Now, Breeze is not gonna be able to get into this house without you knowing it. Now, here, there's gonna be an infrared motion detector. This right here will detect if anybody breaks the glass. Hey,
What's he doing in the bathroom here?
it's just an extra precaution. It's a safe room. These old houses are great because the doors are like solid rock. So we put a heavy deadbolt on each entrance here. And in case if there's an intruder, you just lock yourself in and wait for the cavalry, which is us. And you just have to pick out a code word now. It's got to be 7 letters.
Pyramid.
Pyramid? This is the Michael Carr residence, and the code word's gonna be pyramid. Right. Okay, thank you. That's it.
Oh, yeah.
440 cubes, 500 horses.
Jesus.
You do the work yourself?
Uh-huh. Every nut and bolt. Installed the alarm. Relaxes me.
That is nice. Really nice.
Thanks.
Oh, man. You got a knack for the security stuff. You ever think about consulting as a sideline? Consulting? Yeah. Homes, businesses. Like I got a club I'm putting together downtown. That's what you're doing today, but you get paid for your time.
I never really thought about it much.
You're staying for dinner, right?
Yeah.
Nah,
You doing anything?
I'd be crossing the line.
Come on.
Cops on one side, everybody else on the other.
Come on.
This has really been nice. Usually dinner for me is a bunch of us sitting around boring the hell out of each other with war stories. That's why cops stick together. Nobody else could stand us.
You've never been married?
No.
Here it comes. She's gonna try to line you up with one of her friends. I'll get her, Jack.
Sorry, Michael. She smells that meat and goes crazy, I guess.
Meet me around the front.
I'm sorry. I'm still a little free.
It's okay. That's understandable.
I can't believe you've never been serious about anyone.
No. Cops and marriage are a tough combination. So, I can't believe how much I'm talking. When I was a kid, I hardly ever talked at all. And when I was in school, I never talked. I was actually famous for it.
Oh. Well, take it from a teacher. We love those quiet little boys in the back of the class.
Don't you believe her, Pete. She loves all kids.
Oh, that's what's missing. I'm surprised you two don't have a few running around.